my channel. I'm Siggi Ravindran. I'm an international certified NLP coach, life coach and emotional intelligence coach. Before I begin, I want to ask you 3 questions that you need to answer. Do you find it easy to put weight and hard to lose it? Do you give up on your diet when you don't lose your weight immediately? Third question, do you diet for a while and you lose your weight? Then you go back to your old eating habit and you put your weight back on. If answer is yes, you must watch this video because this is going to create your new reality. At the same time, it's going to change your life. Today I'm going to share you few techniques which helps you to reprogram your mind and how to use your mind power to lose your weight. Look at an onion, layer after layer. When you peel it on onion, what is left? The core, is it? Likewise, after stripping away all the reason we human being put on weight, including lack of exercise and low motivation and poor diet, it can be many reasons. What is in the root? That's your mind. So you start, probably many people have experienced the same. They start with exercise, they start with their diet, and after certain time, they are forced to stop. If you really look into your failure, you will be able to understand what was the reason behind that mind, that you decided not to go forward. The root cause of all your problem lies in your mind. You need to create a new behavioral pattern. I know it's very difficult to change your behavior or habit which you are holding from very long. You need to reprogram your mind to enjoy your new eating habit and forget about your old eating choices. You also need to eliminate all the negative thoughts and behavior and habit which you are holding from very long. You also need to strengthen your willpower and determination which drive you to success. The most important fact is that you need to release your old past failure. It's very difficult. If you can't move forward, if you're holding back your failure stories. Usually what happened, people always complain stating that I couldn't do it. I started with exercise, I started with my diet, but ultimately I couldn't lose my weight. So if you're holding back the same stories, you can never change your habit. Instead, you can start asking questions yourself like, what was the reason for my failure? Why couldn't I succeed for my diet? There will be certain reason for that. You can start writing answers for your questions. You can start asking many questions. What was the reason behind your failure? So you will have an answer. Hence, that will help you to recognize what was the reason behind your failure. And you can do something different this time. If you hold back the same reason and if you come to the conclusion that, God, I can't do this. This is not my cup of tea. I can't lose my weight. Instead, change into something new now. You can take a help of coach or trainer. They will help you to reach your desired goal. Sometimes what happens, few people are unrealistic. So they want to lose the weight within a week or a month and expecting that, and if they don't gain all those, immediately they just give up. Otherwise, some people, they make a goal setting. Probably it is too short, otherwise too long. So what happened, it is too short, maybe you keep the time period for a month or 2 months, and if you don't lose the weight, you will again lose the motivation. Otherwise, if it is too long, what happened, if it is a long duration, and you will also lose the energy and the confidence, and one point of time you will lose the motivation and you will just give up. That's the reason I said you can take a help of a nutritionist or a coach or trainer. They will help you to guide according to your weight and your height. They will make you a diet chart, in fact, to the exercise. So you will be motivated to reach your goal as early as possible. Luckily, we have a very powerful technique called power of visualization. It is very powerful. This is going to change your life. Along with your exercise and diet, you can also follow this technique. What you have to do is sit in a meditation pose, switch off your light, switch off your mobile, switch off your doorbell, and you can visualize the ideal weight of yourself. Ideal look, in fact. You can give colors to your look. You can put your favorite dress. You can wear favorite sunglasses. What kind of look you want? What kind of ideal weight, ideal image you have? You can just imagine yourself. when you imagine, when you visualize what happened, definitely you will have that kind of feeling, right? You will be the happiest when you see yourself as in an ideal look and ideal dress and beautiful dress, colorful dress. You can also hear the compliment from other people. When you walk, other people are complimenting, saying that, oh my God, you have reduced your fat, you are looking beautiful, you are looking smart. So what would be the feeling when you listen all those sounds? In fact, you will be the happiest. So you just feel it. Visualize at the same time, you can feel that. And you can say in your mind that I have reduced my fat. I'm happy, I'm beautiful, I'm smart, I have high energy skill, high energy level. So you can keep on saying the positive affirmation, visualize the same and feel it. Don't come up with any negative words in between. This is nonsense, this is not going to work out, I'm not going to lose my weight. This is just a visualization. If you say this, you are destroying whatever the work you have done all the way. Instead, believe that, trust that process and visualize every single day. You can even have some images. If at all, if you are not able to visualize yourself, you can even draw some pictures of yourself, or you can have some old pictures or some heroines or anyone. You have some kind of dream image of yourself, right? So you can have some images. You can even look at that image for some time, and you can visualize that image is you, right? You are creating your new reality of yourself. Your mind doesn't know what is real and fake. So this is where you can unleash the power of your mind. Since your mind doesn't know what is real and fake, your thoughts and feeling has more power than anything. The potential to achieve anything is within your mind. You give 100% and you receive it for 100%. Do the visualization every single day along with your exercise and your diet. Forget about how you look now. You only focus on your visualization. Trust that process and you will see the magic for sure. If you like this video, you can like, share, subscribe. You can also follow me on Instagram. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for watching my channel.